Hello, welcome to the Clarion Energy Studio here at Kuala Lumpur, where I'm joined by Wael from Green Control. Wael, thanks for joining us today.
You're welcome.
What are the trends that you're seeing in the markets you serve?
Well, from point of view of the suppliers, which is basically a lot of companies being acquisitions from each other, so which is make it a limited supply and more higher corporate rather than our business, which is basically a private owned, so they're quick response to the market. But from a market point of view, there is a more demand on the power because you could see a lot of things going for a clean environment, so they need more power. That means more power station will be built. So there will be a more opportunity for us to serve this sector of the market and a clean energy. So this is where we see in a short term, which is allow us as a company to focus, from the name, it's a green control, to serve the clean energy and to focus on the clean energy.
And as the energy transition continues, particularly in Europe, are you adapting yourself all the time to cater for those changes?
You have to adapt, otherwise you will be out of the market. Right now people looking for geothermal, which is we have developed a new product and to serve the geothermal to last longer, because sustainability is the main key. And if you look at the power stations in general, mainly private sectors is coming across the world, so they need more durable materials, more supplier to be sustainable. They can lean on at any time to work as a partners. It's not like a hit and run. So this is what we're trying to cross to the people. We stand behind the products, we stand behind the innovations, and the other thing is we are willing to listen to the people and to their problem of the existing. It's not just only a brand new project, because you have, as you already know, power station cost a lot of money. The return of investment takes 25 years to 30 years. So things have changed. People, the owners of these power stations, they need something that can sustain and last long, and they can rely on their partners in case of the need. And because, as you already know, any failure in the power station, people will realize it on the spot. It's not something you can hide, because if you have a power shortage, it's obvious. So they're really looking for somebody to stand behind them. And this is where we're trying to stand behind these guys, the owners of the power station. Yes, we have to go through the contractors, but the aim of the game is to be behind the owners of these power stations.
And apart from the core markets that you already focus on, what other areas are you looking at?
We look at the oil and gas, and the other one which is very important for us, which is realized, is water, because there is, the demand of water is getting higher and higher, clean water, so desalination plants and RO, where people needs it. There is not much of a fresh natural water, especially within the Africans and the Middle East areas and Spain and things. So we're trying to start to focus and trying to work and develop new products for that market sectors, and so they can, be in. So water is the other side, because traditionally we were in the oil and gas, but we can see that there is another complete sector that we would like to focus on.
Absolutely. Well, we wish you every success with that. Thank you very much for joining us today. That's all from studio for now, but don't forget to check out the YouTube channel for more great content.